scientist is there whose name is Gauss. He has given one formula for sum of n terms of an AP, like how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. And the proof of this formula came one idea, that is, once he tried adding all the natural number from 1 to 100. Okay, and he realized that it is really difficult to add all the numbers from 1 to 100 by arranging it in column, like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It will take a lot of time. Okay, so what he did, he has taken, let's represent 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like till 100 as a S. Okay, and again he has taken one more S, and this time he has just reversed the sequence. So at first he has written 100, then he has written 99, then he has written 98. Like that he have continued the pattern till 1. So basically we are not changing anything. We are not changing the numbers. We are just reversing the order. Okay, all in addition. And we know addition 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3 is the same thing. The result will come out as the same number. So this is how he arranged at first. And then what he did, the way you solve the pair of linear equation in two variable, no? He added this two equation. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. He just added this two equation. So the left side is pretty clear that it will be 2 times S, but the right side will be 100 plus 1, like we have to make the pairs. So 100 plus 1, we are keeping it together and treating it as a single term. 100 plus 1, it's a combined term, it's a single term. We are going to treat it like that. Now, similarly, he has done 99 plus 2 and treating it as a single term. Similarly, 98 plus 3. And like that, he arranged 100 plus 1, he has taken together and treating it as a single term. Okay. Now, if you will see carefully, if you will realize that all the pair, if you will add together, it is just giving 101. It is just giving 101. It is just giving 101 and it is just giving 101. Okay. Now, how many times 101 we are having over here? 100 times 101 we are having, because what we have done, we have kept it in a pair. Okay, we have taken like the first term, like if you will focus on equation number 1, you can see there are 100 terms over here. There are 100 terms over here. Similarly, if you will focus on equation number 2, you know that there are 100 terms over here. Now, when we are adding them, of course, 200 terms will be there, but we are keeping it like two numbers we are keeping together in a bracket. So if we will focus on only the bracket part, we will be saying that there are total 100 bracket terms, right? Right, Harshit? I'm explaining to you because...
Yes, oh yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 101, 101, 101, 101, how many times? 101, 101, 101, 101. 100 times 101 is there, and see how easily we will be able to take out the value of S. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And from here, there comes a formula that to find sum of n natural number, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. This calculation became very simple. You can cancel 100 by 2. And then you can do the multiplication. Easily you will be getting the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 100. Now the same concept we have applied in our arithmetic progression to find the sum of n terms, and there we got this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How we got this formula? Let me give the introduction, just the brief explanation of that. So the first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, and nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Similarly, here first term, if you will reverse the sequence the way Gauss did. Okay, the name of the scientist also can come in the exam in the MCQ question. So you must know Gauss has given this idea that this is how we can do that. Now what we can do, we can reverse the sequence and we can write a plus n minus 1 into d at first. I am writing it in a curly bracket so that we will be sure that this two we are going to take together. Okay, then the next term will be, before that, there must be a term a plus n minus 2 into d. Yes or no, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be adding this one with a plus n minus 2 into d. Okay, and the last term, like this, we will continue, and the last term will be a, because we are just reversing the sequence. Now, when you will add, can you see, Harshit, when you will add this two, what are you going to get? If you will add a with, yeah, tell me.
Minus 1d.
Yeah. We are adding a with a plus n minus 1 into d.
Yeah.
So
2
it
and
is
minus
becoming, first tell me.
2a first.
2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, like that, here every term will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All the term will be like that only. You will realize, Harshit, that every term there it was becoming 101, 101, 101, 101, 101, 101. Here it will become 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and 2a plus n minus 1 into d, like that. Okay, how many times 2a plus n minus 1 into d? N times. N times 2a plus n minus 1 into d we will be getting over here. Okay, since we will be getting n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n times we will be getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d over here. And the other side, of course, 2s is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So from here, there comes a formula that sum of n terms is equals to n by 2. Just a second. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for finding the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, if you are having a AP, that is 15 is there, then 20 is there, then 25 is there, then 30 is there, then 35 is there, then 40 is there, then 45 is there. If this type of AP you are having, and you have to find just the sum of all the terms over here, whatever terms I have written over here, then directly you can use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We understand what is a, we understand what is d, we understand what is n. Okay, so
Yes.
let's solve few questions. Any confusion so far, Harshit?
Ma'am, there are two formulas or only one formula?
Yes, there are two formulas. The same formula we can do the customization, and we can write it like this also. 2a, and this 2a can be written as a plus, again a, 2a can be written as a plus a, okay, and then n minus 1 into d. And if you will focus, this is the formula for nth term, or this is the formula for last term, right, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So from here, there comes the formula n by 2 and a plus l. Sum of n terms formula is either this one, the first one, this one, or maybe the next one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's take few questions which is related to sum of n terms of an AP, and then we will be doing few extra questions also. But let's do first basic questions. Suppose the question is like this. For every question, I'll be giving 2 to 3 minutes. Solve it quickly. Or if needed, 5 minutes also I can give. Just solve it quickly. Just a second. How many terms of the AP? Yes, everyone. Maha, Aisha, Harsit. Only you three are there. Okay, Ziana is also there. Sumaya is also there. Everyone is there. Please solve it. How many terms of the AP? 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Please do it. Yes, everyone, please do it quickly. Take 2 minutes and do it. It is directly formula based question.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
N is 12.
You said, can I explain?
No, I'm saying the N is 12.
Oh, you are saying the answer. N is
12, ma'am.
N is 12. Okay. Okay. We will check over here. Yes, everyone is getting N equals to 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha also said N equals to 12. Let's wait for other students as well.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this is Jana. I'm also getting NS12.
Yes, Yana, you have also got N equals to 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I got NS to 12.
Sumaya also got N equals to 12. Yes, Maha, I'm waiting.
I'm 12.
Yes, Maha.
12.
Okay, you also got 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone is getting N equals to 12. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Let's continue. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45. And the sum is find the number of terms and common difference.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the N is 16 and D is 8 by 3.
Okay. What you got? Number of term N is
16, 1, 6.
16. And common differences?
D is 8 by 3.
8 by 3. Okay. Other student, please do it. And let me know what exactly are you getting. The first term of the AP is given. The last term is given over here. Have you all given the test which was held, I believe, yesterday? Yes?
Ma'am,
No,
the
ma'am.
assessment.
No? Why?
Ma'am, the assessment you are saying.
Yesterday
I'm
there
talking about
was,
the weekly test, right?
yeah, weekly test. Have you given?
Not yet, today.
Okay, today you'll. Anyone given from here? Harshit, Aisha, Ziana, Sumaya.
Ma'am, I think I have to leave the class. My test was supposed to be right now.
Okay, Sumaya, you are saying your test?
My test is now started. So I think I
Okay,
have to.
okay. What you got from here? Harshit has got n equals to 16 and D is equals to 8 by 3. Rest of the student, please let me know what you got.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have given the weekly test.
Can you repeat, Harshit?
Ma'am, I have given the weekly test.
Yes. What you said?
Ma'am, I'm saying that I have given the weekly test, like you're saying. Which,
Okay, you have given. You was able to solve all the questions from there, right, Harshit?
yes, ma'am. I think, ma'am, but the last question I didn't solve it. Could you please like help me on that question?
Okay. Let other student also give the test. I'll be taking questions from there then. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
your N as 16 and D as 8 by 3.
Okay. You are also getting n equals to 16 and D is equals to 8 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Ziana, Aisha.
Ma'am, I'm
Sumaya.
also getting the same.
Okay, getting the same. Okay, I'm giving the next question. Do try, no? Meanwhile. a ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 centimeter at the bottom to 25 centimeter at the top. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2.5 meter apart, what is the length of wood required for the rungs? Let me draw the figure. Do try solving this one.
Ma'am, what
This
are
is, yes, I'm drawing. Okay, rung means I'm showing you. Let me draw the figure. Can you see the green colored part of the ladder, Harshit?
yes,
Can you
ma'am,
see
like
it?
it is.
These are called rungs. Okay, these are called rungs.
Okay,
The
ma'am,
green
okay.
one which we take the help to go up. Okay,
Yes.
that's called rung of the ladder. Read the question carefully, very carefully, and try solving it. Take your time, try to understand what exactly the question says, and try solving it. Then we'll be discussing it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the length of the wood required, ma'am, my answer is coming 385 centimeter.
Okay, 385 centimeter.
The wood required it is.
That's what we have to find, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is given.
Yeah, this is the answer. Okay, rest of the student, please do it. Let me know what are you getting.
Ma'am, I am also getting the same answer.
Who said?
Aisha, so
Can you explain, Aisha, how you exactly you did this one? Yes, Aisha.
uh, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus 1.
Hmm. Then here
Sn is
we know
equal
A,
to
we know L.
1.
Yeah.
First, we have to find the n.
Yeah. How will be finding N?
Ma'am, made.
Yeah, please, Harshit.
Yeah, ma'am. So first in this question, we have to find the total number of runs. So from that, we can find the nth value. So I have done like 5 by 2 into 100, then plus 1 upon 25. So mine answer is coming n is equal to 11. Now that 11 will be applied in the formula, which is Sn n by 2 a plus n.
You have taken 5 by 2. That is
Yes,
in
ma'am.
meter into 100 you have taken, of course, to convert it in centimeter. So you got Harshit 250, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, what you did?
I'm just converted it into meter.
Yes, you said no, you got n equals to 11. How? 250 by what you have taken?
Ma'am, ma'am, then I have converted like into meter first.
Meter. Okay, you tell me your way. I'm not writing this into 100 or what. You tell me what you did from the beginning. After Sn, how you find the n.
Can I send you right now?
Yeah, please send it to me. Yes, Aisha, please send it to me so that I can see what steps you have followed to find 385.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, rest of the student, please try it. Have you sent Harshit and Aisha? Yes, Harshit, Aisha, have you sent already?
Just sending, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Send, ma'am.
Okay. Let me ask. Yeah, got it. Total number of rungs you have done 5 by 2 into 100 by 20 plus 1 by 25. Right, Harshit?
So, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, from here only we'll be getting the total number of rungs. But why exactly we are doing like this? Let's do it. We understand that we have to find what is the length of the wood required for the rungs. Okay. What is the length of the woods that is required for the rungs? We are having the first one length is 45. Okay. Next one will be, maybe there will be a common difference D or whatever. We don't know. So next one will be 45 plus D. Next one will be something will be there. The next one, any number will be there. We know the last one is 25 centimeter. If we will add all of them, if we will add the first one length, then the second one length, then the third one length, then the fourth one length, if we will add all of them, then we will be getting the total length of the wood which will be required for all the rungs. Okay, that means sum of n terms we have to find for this AP. Why we are saying that there will be a common difference? On the basis of which the statement we are saying that there will be common difference? On the basis of this statement. Clearly it is written here. Here it is written that the rungs decreases uniformly. Uniformly means in a same, like by maintaining the same common difference. Uniformly it is decreasing. So the last term which you can see in this AP is 25. From 45 to 25, it has decreased uniformly. Okay, there is a gap of the same number. That's why we are assuming that it must be in AP. Otherwise, we will not be able to assume that it will be in AP. Directly, if this question will come in the exam, we will not be able to say whether it's in AP or not. Due to this uniformly word, we are understanding, okay, it will be in AP. Okay. Now, that means the rungs is decreasing in a same manner by a certain number, by 2 centimeter, again by 2 centimeter, again by 2 centimeter, again by 2 centimeter, or maybe by 4 centimeter, by 4 centimeter. Like that, it is decreasing in a uniform manner. Okay, from 45 to 25. So we understand sum of n terms formula. Now only we have seen there are two formulas, and we can write it. We can use this formula n by 2, first term plus last term, because first term and last term is known to us. Common difference we don't know, and even without knowing the common difference, we will be able to find the sum of all the terms of this AP. But the confusion is what will be n over here? What will be n over here? That is the main confusion. So if you will focus on this ladder, you will realize one thing over here. Let me show you. Now, a ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. 25, okay. Distance between these two is 25 centimeter. Again, distance between these two is 25 centimeter. Again, if I am drawing one more and one more, we don't know the length of the rungs, but we know the distance between the previous one and this one is 25 centimeter. We know the distance between this one and this one. It's 25 centimeter. Now don't get confused. We are talking about the distance between the rungs. Okay. In what manner it is decreasing, that we don't know. The first one length is 45. Next one length is what? We don't know. The last one length we know, that is 25 centimeter, and it is decreasing. It is decreasing. Here a ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. That means the gap between the rungs is 25. So two information is given over here, which can be confusing to you. You can think that this 25 is the common difference, but no, the first one is this one. Maybe the next one, next rung is this one. We don't know what is the length of the first one, we know, but the length of next one we don't know. But yeah, we know the gap. We know there is a 25, both are 25 centimeter apart from each other. That we know. Okay. So two information is given over here, if you will focus. Now the total length, see, one more information is given here, that if the top and the bottom rung are 2.5 meters apart. Top one and the bottom one, what is the difference between that? 2.5 meters apart. Now all the other information is given in centimeter. So better we will convert it in centimeter. So 2.5 meters.
Ma'am, did you check my answer?
Will be plus 1, 5/2 meter, and if we will convert it in centimeter, we have to do the multiplication by 100. Yes or no?
Ma'am, did you check my answer?
Your Aisha,
Yes.
let me check. Yeah, I got your also. Yes, you have also done like Harshit. Can you tell me, Aisha, why you have found the number of rung by doing 25, 250 by 25 plus 1? Why? Yes, it is correct. It is perfect. The solution is perfect. If I have to mark, I give full marks for that.
फिगर डी गलत है कैसे फिगर डी तो सही है
Anyone saying anything? So total 250, like 250 centimeter is there. The distance between the bottom rung, that is 45 centimeter one, and the top rung, that is 25 centimeter one. The total distance is 250 centimeter. It was given 2.5 meter, which we converted and we got it is 250 centimeter. Okay. Now what we are going to do over here, if you will look at it carefully, you will realize that the distance between this one is 25. Okay. The distance from first rung, second rung, third rung, fourth rung. From first rung, if you are finding the distance from first to second, the distance is 25 centimeter. Listen to me carefully. First rung se second rung ka distance is 25 centimeter. Now from first rung, if we have to find the distance till third rung, it is 25 plus 25. Here till third rung, the distance will be 25 plus 25. Yes or no? That is 50. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The distance till fourth rung, it will be 25 plus 25 plus 25, which we can write as a 25 into 3. Yes or no? फर्स्ट रंग से लेके अगर फोर्थ रंग तक का डिस्टेंस हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट, देन वी कैन सी दिस दैट इज 25 plus 25 plus 25, which we can write as a 25 into 3. If we are having one more rung, I am drawing over here the fifth rung. The distance till there from the first rung, distance will be 25 into 4. Yes or no? ध्यान से देखो कि सेकेंड रंग तक का डिस्टेंस 25 into 1 करके निकल रहा है. थर्ड रंग तक का डिस्टेंस 25 into 2 कर रहे हैं तो आ जा रहा है. फोर्थ रंग तक का डिस्टेंस अगर निकालना है तो 25 into 3 करना पड़ रहा है. मतलब जो रंग बोल रहे हैं फोर्थ फिफ्थ उससे एक कम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तब जाके टोटल डिस्टेंस बॉटम से आ रहा है. हाँ या ना?
हाँ मैम.
Getting the pattern?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Rest of the student, Ziana, Sumaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Maha. Okay. तो ये लास्ट वाला रंग को तो nth रंग हम लोग बोल रहे हैं अभी तक. तो nth रंग तक का डिस्टेंस कैसे निकलेगा? कैन वी से दैट 25 में अगर n-1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब जाके nth रंग तक का डिस्टेंस निकाल पाएंगे बॉटम रंग से. हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
कैन बी से लाइक दैट कि अगर लास्ट रंग जो कि nth टर्म है हमारे एपी का, लास्ट रंग जो कि nth टर्म है एपी का, अगर वहां तक का डिस्टेंस निकालना है बॉटम वाले रंग से, तो 25 में एक कम मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, दैट इज n-1, और हमें डिस्टेंस पूरा मिल जाएगा। और यही डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में 250 सेंटीमीटर। बॉटम रंग से लेके टॉप रंग तक का डिस्टेंस है 250 सेंटीमीटर, ये क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है। अब यहां से n का वैल्यू आएगा, लेट्स डू दैट। इफ वी विल डू ओवर हियर, you can do apply distributive property, or you can shift this 25 directly to that side. It will come out as a 250 by 25 plus 1. This step directly Harshit and Aisha you have done. Do you understand that from here only it came?
Yes, ma'am. I've already like understand in my mind, but I just forgot to write it just there.
No
only.
worries. If you have understood, your process is perfect. Yeah, it deserves full marks. Okay, so yes, Aisha, yours also, the process is crystal like clear and the perfect. I just wanted to know whether you have memorized this step or you are understanding this step. Am I making sense to rest of the student? How exactly we will be able to find n? Maha, Ziana,
Yes, ma'am.
Sumaya, are you getting it? How exactly we will be able to find n?
Ma'am,
Yes,
how did we get 250?
250 means 2.5. It was there, no mixed fraction. It is, see, it is written in the question. A ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. Ladders rungs are 25 centimeter apart. Okay, the rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 centimeter at the bottom. That means bottom's rung length is 45 centimeter to 25 centimeter at the top. That means the top part of the rung is 25 centimeter. If the, see the underlined part here, Maha, if the top and the bottom rung are 2.5 meter apart, meter को centimeter में change किए तो 250 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am, I get it. I did it wrong. The calculation went wrong, that's why.
Okay, no worries. So this information is given to us. There are two different scenarios, two different information we are having in hand. One is clearly it is showing that we are having an AP whose first term is 45, last term is 25. And we have to find the sum of n terms of this AP. Okay, we can use the formula, we can find it. But we don't know what is n. How many terms are there? We don't know. How many rungs are there? We don't know. But we know that there is a 25, 25, 25, 25 centimeter difference is there. Like the gap is there in between two rungs. There is a gap of 25 centimeter. So we have used that information and we have found it. Is it clear, Sumaya and Ziana? Yes, Ziana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, like this we'll be find the value of n from here and do the calculation and let me know what is Sn.
$385, ma'am.
Yeah, Harshit, you have got 385. Aisha has also got 385. Yes, Maha, Sumaya and Ziana, check it what you are getting.